So hello everybody, my name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about a question of Numpy, so Numpy revision. First, here's the question. First question is, find unique elements from a given array. So this is the array here. Find their unique values and their counts. So we're going to do this. Import numpy as np, and we make the array, so unique will delete the duplicates, and count will count how arrays are there. Then we have to find the count, which I did. And now next, if I run this, that's what it does. It'll delete the duplicates. It only has 5 numbers. Here it has 7 numbers, and it prints how much there was in array 1. So we'll just do that. Okay, next question is to generate a 3x3 matrix of random integers between 10 to 5, which we've already did here. So all we have to do is array 2 equals to np.random.ran. It will now 10 to 50, meaning 10 comma 50, meaning it will choose any random number integer from 10 to 50 and make a 3x3 matrix. So, see, oh, by the way, I have to import this number. See, it does that. Okay, next. Last question. Add a 1D array using the shape of 3. So you only have to have 3 numbers in an array, and a 2D array with a 3, comma 3. First, we have array 1, 1, 2, 3, reshape it with the size of 3. Print that. Then we make a 2D array and do a reshaping, 3, comma 3. Okay, I'll just say. So it prints the 1, 2, 3. Because it's just a 1D array. Okay, so thank everyone for listening to my video about this question of NumPy. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and